All right, friends, we're back again. I have a big mystery box here, and I'm super excited. I wanted to open this with you guys because I think I know what's inside of it. Let's just go ahead and open it up together. We'll take a look. This just came in the mail for me today. Truthfully, I've been waiting for it. I've known for about 8 weeks it's coming. This is a pretty exciting time for everybody that's in our Investors Growth Syndicate program. This is an award that we've all won together in the syndicate, and I wanna just share it with you guys so you guys can see it. So we're gonna pop this open. Gotta make sure we don't end up getting the peanuts all over the place. So let's just quietly pull this guy out of here. See if we can pull it outside of our packaging. We might just have to rip it. Here we go. Friends, what this is a 2 Comma Club award. And as you guys can see down in the notes, it's for the Investors Growth Syndicate. The Investors Growth Syndicate is probably the fastest growing mastermind community in Canada. We have real estate investors of every kind joining this group. Brand new real estate investors who want to learn how to get into the real estate investing space and learn from experts. We have some of the top fund managers in this entire country that are joining the syndicate to help the new people, and new people to learn from the fund managers. And I'm the facilitator of the group, and that's what this award is for. This award is given to anybody that builds a program like this that earns over $1 million US in revenue from that program. So this represents every one of the hundreds of people that have already joined the syndicate. The next award that the syndicate's gonna win is called the 10X Award. It's well on its way to it. So I'm really excited about this because I get to look at this every day and think about what the syndicate has done for my life and what I get to do for every member of the syndicate. Now let's go put this on the wall. So I have this really cool wall that you guys have probably seen if you've seen any of the videos that I do online, that just reminds me every day when I'm in the office and shows the whole world what we're all doing together. So I'm gonna go ahead, I've already got this figured out where it's gonna go. It's gonna join a family of 5 of these awards that we already have now. So we're gonna stick that right up on the wall there. And there we go. Thank you to every single person who's trusted me to join the Investors Growth Syndicate. This award is your award, and now we get to celebrate that together as we go out and help every real estate investor in this country.